Yo, where's the plan? The Devon X Scott here, and today we're checking out a very budget wireless lavalier system. This is the Pixel Voical Air, or the Voical Air. I mean, honestly, Pixel, you could have named it something that people don't need to butcher by accident. But this is the Voical/Voical Air. I don't even know what I'll be calling it for the rest of the video. This is supposed to be a good wireless lavalier system for 120 US, which is what it goes for right now on Amazon. We'll be the judge of that though. Let me get into this. First of all, very good sign, we have a hard case. I love hard case. As soon as you throw a hard case in the box, you win me over. However, this is a microphone, so as good as the hard case might be, if the microphone is no good, we're gonna throw it to the side. All right, so opening this, we have an actual lavalier mic. We have a cable to plug it into your camera/phone, USB-C cable, and another USB-C cable, so you can actually charge them both simultaneously, the transmitter and the receiver, which is good. We appreciate the second USB-C cable. At least it didn't chip out and just give us one. We have the transmitter, I would believe, yes, because I see a mic as well as a place to plug in a lavalier mic. Again, charges with USB-C. That's kind of modern for something that costs 120 US. I'd expect it to be charged with micro USB, but USB-C, good luck so far. At the bottom, we have 3 buttons, a settings button, minus and a plus. So I guess in the minus and the plus would be for volume or signal, and the settings would be to change the channel. So in the event that you need to change the channel because of interference, you could do that. Unfortunately, you don't find the best channel automatically. You have to do that manually. We're living in 2007. And we have the receiver across here. We have a line out as well as a headphone jack, which is great because if your camera do allow you to monitor audio live, you could monitor your audio through this system, which is very, very, very convenient. We have a little clippy clip here. I don't know if you're hearing that. Clip feels pretty solid. I don't think I'll be able to mash this up. Hopefully not. One last thing in the package, or the hard case, or the box, which is a cold shoe mount. This is good. This is good. We appreciate it. Alright, push all of this to the side. And right here, we have the transmitter and the receiver. So we're going to turn this on. We have screens on both the transmitter and the receiver. We have little screens, so if you're out and about using this, people will say, haha, this man mic system real bad horse. It have screens. Honestly though, if you're using the transmitter in some way, you need to hide this, or if you need to hide it somewhere on frame or something, this screen might be an issue. That's not something a little tape can solve, so we don't have to worry about that too much. Alright, so we have the transmitter, we have the receiver, both of them is powered on. We're going to plug this in and we're going to see what this sounds like now. Pluggy plug plug. Alright, so the audio you're hearing right now is from this, the receiver. So that's actually a mic. So this is what this sounds like. I'm holding it kind of in the perfect placement right now. So we're going to clip it across here. And this is where you'd be using it, assuming you want to have a big brick on your chest. This is what it would be sounding like. I am personally not someone who would be walking around with a brick on the chest, but that's an option if you need to. We're going to plug in the lavalier mic now, which actually have a kind of good quality cable. Which, respect for that, because I have a Sennheiser mic, the ME2, and the cable is like the most brittle thing in the world. I don't know why. Boom, you hear me? As a drummer. Put that there, and boom. The audio you're hearing right now is from the lavalier mic that is included with the Pixel Voical Air. So this is what it sounds like. Let me just read some stuff from the box so you can get a little voice test. Okay, important safety information. Do not use, expose, or store in excessive heat. Oh, we had to move it from my meat. Alright, so we're going to stop now. I'm going to review this audio and see if this is any good. Alright, thoughts. Unfortunately, I am not a fan of it because it have this like underlying static sound at the base of the entire track. I do like it. That's something that irked me right through. It really pissed me off, and I don't think I could recommend it. For hobby use, it might be good if you're doing TikTok, if you're doing Instagram stories, if you're doing Instagram lives, and you just want wireless audio that is headache free. When I say headache free, I mean functionality wise, definitely not quality wise. It shouldn't be a problem. But for professional use, I honestly don't think I could recommend it. But we'll do one more test before I give this a thumbs down. I'll plug this mic that I'm using right now into this unit so you can compare the exact same mic with this system so you can hear where the system actually falls short. So let me do that now. Now you're listening to the exact same mic, just running through the Pixel system instead of what I was using before. So let me know how you find this sound. I'm going to stop now. I'm going to listen to it, and I'll be the judge of that. All right, so let me be fair. Let me be extremely fair. I would go as far as saying this system is not for me. Now, if you don't have a problem with the audio quality, you could feel free to spend your $120 on this. I personally would not recommend that you do that. However, if you don't have a problem, again, it's your money, and I tell you what to do with your money. I would much quicker recommend the system that I'm using right now, which is a system by Movo. I can't remember the exact name, but if you do want to see a review on that, let me know below in the comments. And on your way down there, just stop by the description, hit that sub button, hit the bell, and buy something from the Amazon affiliate link, so I'll get a little kickback. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I honestly not even gonna go outside and do an outdoor test with this because I don't think it's worth it. I already don't like the mic. I mean, I would do it for your benefit, but you don't really have any benefit buying this. Oh, sorry, I'm not hating on it. I'm just saying I personally do not like it. You could judge for yourself with the audio sample. That's as much as I could give you in this review. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Whoa. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DevonXScott.